First, I'd like to acknowledge the Coast Salish First Nations on whose traditional territory we're having this meeting.
首先，我要感謝原住民啦，佢哋呢笪地係佢哋嘅，佢哋而家讓我哋可以喺呢度開會。
I'd like to thank Margaret Mitchell for being here, Dr. Juan, Ian Wong, Mrs. Sim, and all the volunteers that for over the last couple of years have been so inspirational and so hardworking.
同埋我喺呢度好多謝Margaret 女士咧，同埋所有咁多年係幫助我哋嘅義工啦，同埋新人士。
Thank you for being in the struggle for an inclusive, just, and honorable redress. We gather here to exercise our rights to organize and change the heart of government.
我哋今日嚟呢度咧開呢個會咧，就係要求得到我哋公正嘅賠償，同埋應得嘅尊重，同埋改變政府嘅睇法。
Head tax families are again confronted with arrogant and dismissive government. It was an arrogant and dismissive government which subjected our families to 62 years of racist legislation and impoverished and separated many of them.
我哋而家面對緊一個好自大同埋好漠視我哋嘅政府。呢個政府咧，佢唔能夠俾到我哋一個好公平全面嘅賠償，而且由於佢嘅自大同埋漠視咧，我哋個家庭咧被迫分開咗有62年咁耐。
We must change the heart of government. The Stephen Harper government is unwilling or does not understand the claims of our elderly sons and daughters of head taxpayers who also suffered under the racist legislation.
我哋一定要改變依家呢個政府嘅諗法，因為佢哋並唔明白我哋嘅痛苦，佢並唔明白當年人頭稅付款人佢哋嗰啲仔女，雖然佢哋而家年紀都唔細啦，但係佢哋而家仲係有係呢個錯誤，而家一定係一直要喺度受緊苦。
These elderly sons and daughters of head taxpayers were directly affected. They deserve to be treated with dignity and respect.
當年人頭稅付款者佢哋嘅仔女係受到最大衝擊嘅一群人，佢哋係直接影響咗嘅。佢哋而家要求嘅係一個好公平嘅對待同埋應得嘅尊嚴。
Head Tax Family Society of Canada's success in this claim will define our community and Chinese Canadians, not only to all Canadians but to the world. Our failure will be seen as the remnants of that colonial white supremacist ideology, and they will be seen as a sign that we are weak and not deserving of justice or honor.
我哋而家大家團結埋一齊，為我哋要得到公平嘅賠償同埋尊重。我哋依家咁做唔係淨係為我哋自己，我哋係為所有我哋嘅中國人，唔單係喺加拿大，而且係喺整個世界得到我哋應有嘅尊重。唔係我哋就會俾嗰啲自大自認為比我哋優越嘅白人睇到我哋好低。
Head tax families have endured, overcome, and outlived generations of arrogant and dismissive governments. We have built a movement to outlast the Stephen Harper government should a just and honorable inclusive redress not be forthcoming.
我哋人頭稅付款者佢哋嘅家屬同埋當年嘅付款人，為咗得到公平嘅賠償，已經為呢件事奮鬥咗好多年啦。但係我哋而家面對嘅係一個好自大同埋好漠視我哋嘅政府，但係我哋唔會放棄，我哋會繼續爭取，一定要得到公平嘅賠償。
The Stephen Harper government has shown itself to be shrewd. They have taken a two-step agreement, which was an inclusive agreement. They did the first step. They took the photo ops, they pandered for votes, and then they shut the door on those affected sons and daughters of elderly head taxpayers.
黑國政府喺對於人頭稅要求賠償呢件事呢，佢分成兩步嚟做。第一步呢，佢就利用呢件事呢，得到咗選舉嗰陣時嘅選票同埋上鏡嘅機會，但係佢跟住就對部分嘅仲生存嘅人頭稅嘅付款人同埋配偶賠償咗之後呢，就對所有人頭稅付款嘅後人。佢哋嘅談判咧關上門，唔再同佢哋繼續對話。
On behalf of my family and many head tax families, I rejected the government's apology because the government rejected our families.
我代表我自己個家庭。我哋拒絕政府而家呢個賠償協議，點解呢？因為佢哋咁耐以嚟都拒絕咗我哋個家庭。
If the government unjustly takes $1 from my family or me and apologizes, is the apology meaningful and sincere? If the government does not return the $1 to me.
政府喺我哋屋企攞走咗我哋啲錢，而家佢淨係話對唔住。呢個對唔住究竟係咪真正講出對唔住呢？如果你真係覺得對唔住我哋嘅，請你將攞走我哋啲錢俾翻我哋。
We need to change the heart of government. Start by asking your families and your friends to join Head Tax Families Society of Canada.
我哋要團結起嚟改變政府嘅做法。點樣做呢？就希望你哋能夠讓你身邊嘅親人朋友嚟加入我哋呢個行動，加入呢個協會。
Then together, let us, and this is very important, let us contact our clan and district associations, the Chinatown associations, and ask them to join us and support our struggle.
點樣我哋可以團結起嚟為呢件事爭取呢？就係我哋要同我哋嘅社區所有我哋同種嘅人，同埋我哋嘅所有社區裏頭嗰啲協會嘅人，大家團結，同嗰啲協會一齊同心，同政府追翻應該得到嘅賠償。
Let us organize. The spirits of our Gold Mountain adventurers and pioneers will keep us strong for the hard work we still have to do.
我哋應該繼續保持當年我哋祖先過嚟金山淘金嗰個金山夢，當年嗰種勇氣同埋力量嚟做我哋今日要求賠償呢件事繼續落去。
The people united will never be defeated.
只有團結喺一齊嘅人，先至唔會俾人哋打輸。
So I'm going to ask you to bring up some energy a bit. See if you can help me with this, okay? When I say people, you say power. People. Power. People. Power. People. Power. When I say head tax, you say redress. Head tax. Redress. Head tax. Redress. Head tax. Redress. When I say justice, you say now. Justice. Now.